The electric bike market becomes more viable almost daily it seems, and Zero is at the cutting edge with a number of improvements. We're talking about more power with a higher top-end kind of improvements, and that's on top of faster recharge times and a lighter curb weight. Performance may increase, and new models may hit the showrooms, but Zero's pragmatic design criteria remains a constant across the board. A bobbed front fender rides between beefy, USD front forks with a headlight housing that mounts a Cyclops light and standoff-style turn signals. A Fox fuel tank hump and two-up seat lends the bike a typical fly line, and in silhouette, they are indistinguishable from non-electric naked sports. The clean, twin-spar wishbone frame is all but completely exposed, and it blends right in against the achromatic background to become just another subtlety in the overall look. Suspension travel clocks in with 6.25 inches up front and 6.35 inches out back, and that should be enough for any relatively reasonable urban shenanigans. At the bottom of the range rides the Zero SCF 7.2 with a 35% power boost that brings it up to a total of 46 ponies and 78 pound-feet of torque. The price sheet is as complex as the specs list. At the bottom of the food chain, the base Zero SCF 7.2 will roll for $995. If you want the ZF 14.4 model, you can bump that up to $995. The power tank and charge tank go for $895 and $295, respectively. The SR is only available with the ZF 14.4 drive, and it rolls for $495 or $390 depending on power and charge tank choices.